Jason.
Jay Khan.
Zaib. Zaib. Or Jason. Nita. Woo.
This is Nita.
Damn.
Nam, Nart.
Baby Boomer. That's C-Lar. Here's me.
This is Steve. Just Steve.
And this is me. Steve. No. Alright, well,
we're taking shots of Gatorade.
taking shots of, yes, Gatorade.
Low calorie,
See that?
by the way.
Yeah, that right there.
The good stuff.
Alright.
To the good life.
To the good life of the Carnival cruise. And there it goes, the pizza, and that's C-Lar. He dished us, and we were waiting for him for
A long time.
a long time. There you go. Zaid, say it. Yeah, long time.
Very long time.
There you go. Nita, yep, Anita. Always drinking tea. She drank tea.
Tea with the pizza.
Yeah, tea with
with
pizza.
everything.
No,
She's been having tea for the past.
All tea, everything.
Tea for the past 7 hours. Ahead of the camera. Beach cruisers or the golf cart?
Golf carts.
Just be lazy and get the golf cart. Cool.
You can do it.
Good.
Okay.
How's it feel?
But someone pulled up in front of you. What are you gonna do?
I know.
Also, guys, why couldn't we get a golf cart?
Because we're not 25.
Yeah.
Do straight.
Yes.
Island, Catalina Island, right, Nita? Car. Whoa! Hey, golf cart. We got Nam. I can pass you guys over with my camera.
We cruising. Say hi to the camera. I'm recording. Right there, Nita. Whoa.
I gotta make it up the hill. I feel defeated now.
Yeah, we're looking for the bar. We're gonna ride drunk. Oh, you think you tough? You think you tough? Booyah!
That is positive thinking, huh? Nita's going in flip-flops. Don't do that.
Yeah, it looks small in the camera, but
Actually, no, he looks pretty big in the camera as well.
this is Catalina Island. Yeah, yo.
Hey, can I have a picture out there too?
We're here at
Centra?
the Sand Trap. Yes.
Sand Trap. Established in 1984. We ordered a margarita, a pitcher margarita for 17 bucks.
And $1 tacos.
All right, we're here at the Sand
Damn.
Trap. Yes.
Yes.
Awesome.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Hello. Hey, Mark.
See that?
Cheers.
Ready to go, ready to go.
Cheers.
Uno.
Yum. Yum, yum.
Oh,
You can breathe fire after that one.
yes.
John.
From your.
I had the filet mignon, of course.
All right.
Bon appetit.
Actually, man, what'd you get?
Shrimp cocktail.
Shrimp. Ooh. White mushroom, right? White mushroom eater. Hotcakes, white mushroom, and I don't remember the name, but it's some fruits. My lobster and shrimp. Look at that. Yeah. Look at them.
And you have to
Eating away. What'd you get?
I got the banana cake.
Banana cake.
0 calories.
Ma'am.
Chocolate fudge cake.
Chocolate fudge cake. The chocolate melt.
Yeah, something.
Yes, something like that. Okay, here you go.
You know what this is? It's awesome.
And I got a variety of cheese.
Tonight's gonna be
A good night.
And
Tonight's gonna be a good night.
the feeling.
And Nina takes forever to drink a shot.
The first one.
I take sips. I told you guys already.
We're about to go on this comedy show.
Knock knock.
259.
Ah.
Yes.
John.
Yes, sir, John.
John Con.
John Con.
Give the walk. Give the walk. Where's the walk? Where's the walk? Where's the walk?
Let's make this happen. Let's get this
Wait.
up, yo. And where we going? We're going to the comedy, right?
The walk.
We're going to the comedy show.
Oh, look. Oh, wow.
Go.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It's the famous John Con. This is the beautiful Ensenada. We are out the back of the ship.
At the very top deck of our cruise ship. It's about 10:30 right now, and people are still getting up. The top deck of the deck of our cruise ship. And there you got Mr. Yang. Hey Yang, looking for your ying? Oh no! Yeah, we're about to go get some breakfast. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
And Mexico. Yeah. And C-Lar is Mexico.
Yes.
Where are we? It's our shit right here. Is there an exit? That's our ship.
Say hi to the camera.
How you doing?
Great. And is
We're
that,
at Papa's and Bears.
is that Papa's and Beers?
Looking for Mamas and Bears.
He's had
J-Con.
J-Con. Had a few shots of vodka for breakfast.
Yes.
And just got done with the
Let me know if you want it.
Yo, check this out. I have there. You can't see it, but it's 3 liters Long Island.
So you work 14 hours, right? No. 8?
Tell me.
downtown Mexico.
Woo! Papas and Beers.
Papa's and Beers. But it's actually
Mango.
watch me dance.
Woo! It's only 5:30. 5:30. Hey, Jason getting hungry.
Sure.
A liquor.
Sí, güey, que le des a él, güey, que le des a él.
Check this. Papa's in bed.
Is that the bus right there?
This is day 4. We are beat. We are super beat. And we still plan to take a couple more shots before we go down. It's a gorilla hanging for his dear life. Tonight.
We're fancy
Tonight.
So fancy, knockout, wake up at 8 tomorrow, go home.
Yes, we're drinking Foster's.
Yes. We're out here drinking this monster beer.
Imadi. This is our friend Imadi. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Sanjay. Hello! Hey man. Please come back. I love you. I will.
That are wow, right? I don't know.
That's pretty sick.
Things are pre-made already.
Nah, no, these guys are good.
It reads 224. Steve here. 124. Jay Khan. This number that we see on here. That's 180. That.
Imadi and Sanjay.
Is it? Yes.
Right there.
Awesome.
Bye.